What's up, guys? I'm back again with another one, and today we actually are going to do a little bit of an unboxing. So before the video starts, I'm just going to ask you guys to please subscribe and like the video. It's going to help me out a lot, and it's going to help you guys out also, because then I can give you more liquor content, guys. People like the video because you didn't like it last time. I saw you. You watched my video now. I gave you all that information, and then just as the video was ending, you just swiped it out and you went into Insta, and then you went to go like that kid's buck. I saw you, bruh. Don't even lie. So go like that video. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing, like I said, and I have this beat up ass package that I'm going to open. Obviously I haven't opened it yet. I want to see what's in there. So I ordered a few things from Beard Boys, and I've told you guys about Beard Boys before. They are a fantastic company, and I even gave you guys a discount. So let's see what I got. Jesus. Jesus, this packet is... My bro, it's quarantine and this packet has been germing. Put the knife away. Nicely, my bro. Nicely. The first thing we got over here. Okay, let's whip out the knife again. Ooh, did you see that flick? My bro, did you yo, guys, I'm kakwai. Okay, but for real though, let's see what's in here. Nah, one thing, Beard Boys, well done. Your packaging, my bro, this thing can fall out of a plane and it will still be perfectly fine. The yellow bubble wrap, for all of you who like bubble wrap, this is like bubble wrap heaven. Okay. Ooh, we got ourselves some beard cream. And I ordered the oud scent because, you know, Mahmoud is an Arab, you know, he likes oud. It's very, yeah, but as I was saying, ooh, bubble wrap heaven, guys. Okay, let's just throw this in a packy. The Wimbas. Okay, so first thing we have, guys, is the beard cream. Now, beard cream, beard conditioner, very similar things. So what you'd use this for is, you know, when you're in the shower and you don't smart to wash your beard because you're going to wash everything out, just slap on some beard cream or some beard conditioner and you're good to go, guys. Okay, so I'll do an in-depth review at a later stage. But for now, ooh, we got the fancy box, the math player. Yes, and a coupon code and a what? You keep this right here, you know. So, welcome to the Beard Boys family. Good things happen to those who groom. Alright. Let's look at what is inside this box. One thing, yo. This packaging, my bro. Nah, quite. Okay. I know I'm making a lot of harass, maaf. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. What is... Okay. A sticky broke off, guys. But otherwise, very good construction. Ooh, it's slid open. Look here. Don't peek. Kanala, man. Don't peek. But look at that. Just let me. That engraving. ASMR. I have focal nails, but okay. ASMR, guys. Okay, I'm gonna open the box. Nah, I can't do it. Can't do ASMR. I'm sorry. Let's see what we have first. We got ourselves for real, guys, for real. This is dope. We got ourselves a quarantine mask, guys, with a beard on it. You know, guys with a beard, you will know, no? When you put on the mask, it makes like a kink in your beard, man, and that's not liquor. So what they've actually done is, oh, and this material feels nice. I like this color as well. So what they've done is they've made a mask that it can accommodate your beard. It has a nice stretchy elastic in, and you just slap it on your face. En gevaarlijk, my bro. Okay, let's put this one away. Right now. Just right now, you know, just for the meantime. Go in the fucking already. So we got the cream, we got the mask, and we got the sticky boxy that broke off. Okay, next item. Okay, so we have a foot massager, guys. We have a foot. Nah, I'm talking nonsense, man. Okay, so for real though, this is to keep the soap. Beard soap, guys. Beard soap. Very important. I told you guys before, you know, in my basics video, I told you guys the fundamentals. Go watch that video. I know it's a little bit monotonous, you know, but like, I had to do the video so that you guys know what to do afterwards, so that I can be more, you know, more charismatic afterwards. Let's get a whiff of this. Let's get a whiff. Ooh, god damn. Okay, that's a cool minty smell. Oh, it actually says there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not, because my camera is cuck. But okay, cool mint. That's gonna be nice and refreshing. And then the next thing we have is beard oil, and it's also oud scent. What a surprise, because I ordered everything in oud scent. If only I could get this thing open, because this packaging is like if Hulk wrapped it with his own skin. I'm sorry that I'm circling so much, guys. I have no nails, okay? Don't judge me. Jeez. Okay, it's off. It's off. Right. Okay, this is very free spinning on here. Let's do the sniff test. Okay, before we do the smell test, let's just read the ingredients for the orange vetiver. Do you say it like vetiver or vetiver? However you want to say it, tomato, it's still going in a salad. Vetiver, cedar, amber, hair keratin, wheat germ oil, aqua EO blend. That's what's in here. How does one open this? It's not opening. Why is it not opening? Okay, I think my bottle is a bit sticking. Okay. Well, I can't open the bottle because nope, that's not working. I'll figure it out later, but anyway. Beard boys, my cap is spinning loose, man. Come on, man, open here, sis. Okay, it's not gonna open. Let's just move on. Okay. We got beard balm, also oud scent. No. Oh, mama. Oh yeah. Look. Ooh. God damn. It smells good. It's very subtle, but you can definitely smell the oud. You rub the balm in, right? Slap it on your beard. Oh yes, that is very nice. Is my beard shining, guys? I can't see myself. You need to tell me, because like my hands are shining. So I'm guessing. Ooh, it feels nice as well. Nice and smooth. Let me just whip out the comb real quick. Ah, smells liquor, guys. Next item, we got. That's so cute. Oh man, look here. They put in a little hand sanitizer. Oh man, this is so cool. Like you can just slide it in your pocket because it's like really slim. And they have the branding on it. Tocopherol acetate. Next one, guys, we have got, okay, a beard comb. If you're just starting out and you need a comb, cool. But if you want to invest into a comb, I wouldn't buy this. I'm just being straight, guys. I love your products. It's just, this is a bit iffy. Okay. Last thing we got is a beard brush. Now, the beard brush that I have right now is very soft. So you'd use it on a shorter beard, or you'd use it on your mustache, or if you have a longer beard like mine, you'd use it for the hair on top, right? Now, I have a coarser beard than most people, man. As I was saying, let's feel. Not bad, not bad. Oh yeah, that gets in there. That definitely gets in there. What type of bristles are these though? Oops. Doesn't feel bad. It's very, very lightweight. So overall, I'd say it's a good package. Is there anything else in here? No. Just olare. You want olare? There's olare in here. So beard brush, nice and solid. We got the beard soap and the soap holder. Now this is a really nice addition, because normally when you buy a soap, especially a beard soap, it foams up a lot quicker than a regular soap. So it just lays there and the water spills over it and you end up wasting a lot of soap. So this actually drains a lot of that, and you can put it nicely on the windowsill or on your shower mawaki. Guys, what do you call that rack in your shower? Like, a lot of people have a draining rack now, and then some of them have like a glass shelf, and then some of them are bougie and they have the hooks with the shelf, with the Woolworths Frappuccino there in the corner. As I was saying, so overall, guys, very pleasant unboxing. I'm very satisfied with everything that I got. For the price that you are paying, I think I paid, actually, just let me check how much I paid for this. This ranges from 600 to 650, but I gave you guys a discount, so you'll pay a little bit less. I'm only recommending it because I personally use their products. As you can see, I bought this. I didn't get anything like free here. I bought it with my own money. So I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just giving you a really good recommendation based on what I use. Mahmoud is making a music video. Guys, it's featuring some of the more well-known people in Cape Town with some nice cars. So I hope you guys enjoy it. The video will be releasing soon. But keep following me on my socials, you know, official AJ the Alchemist with underscores in between everywhere. Follow me on Instagram, and then you can see what's happening. So I'll keep you guys posted. And thank you for watching, guys.